Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Janitor AI Error Code 1200. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use Janitor AI. Many players shared that this error usually appears when the Janitor AI systems are down, but in some cases, it can also come because of a temporary system glitch. According to our research, the main cause of this error is server downtime, browser issues, or temporary glitches in the system. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close Janitor AI and restart your device. Once restarted, open Janitor AI again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your browser needs an update. If so, update it and then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try using Janitor AI in incognito mode. Once done, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try accessing Janitor AI from another browser and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then it is most likely that the Janitor AI systems are down. In this case, wait for some time and then try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.